Hello, my name is Ashton, and in this episode, I will teach you about sounds in Scratch. Just like costumes, sounds have their own area which can be accessed by clicking the Sounds tab. Selecting sounds, creating new sounds, renaming sounds, and deleting sounds all works the exact same way it does with costumes, with the exception that it doesn't matter what sound is selected at the beginning of a program. Here, sounds are represented through these purple waves. You can edit any sounds using this area here. While it isn't too complicated, it would take a while to explain it, and it's better to focus on the code when starting out. Now, there are 3 blocks dedicated to playing the sounds your sprite has. The first 2 are play sound until done, and start sound. Both of these will play the sounds selected in this box here. So currently it's set to meow, and if I click either of them, a meow will play. The main difference between them is that while this one will play the sound and then continue moving on to whatever the next block is, this one will play the sound but wait until it's done. Let me get a change X box to show this off. If I put the change X block on here, the sound will start and the character will move at the exact same time, as so. But if it's on the until done block, it will play the sound but only move when the sound is done, as so. Now, the third block is stop all sounds, which stops all sounds currently playing. So if we set this one to a longer sound, normally the sound would play for 4 seconds, but if we click it and then press stop all sounds, it will stop early. With that, you now know about the sounds in Scratch. Thank you for watching.